Miss Amelia from the Columbus Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make this month's Take It Made kit, which is a Rudolph ornament for your tree or window. So let's get started. Okay friends, so we are going to get out all of our materials to make our reindeer ornament. And your ornament can hang on your Christmas tree or it can hang up in your window to be fun and welcome Santa's reindeer to your house. Alright, so inside your Take and Make kit this month, you have all of the materials to make this cute little reindeer. You have some brown paper, and that's going to be the stuffing that goes inside your reindeer. You have a pipe cleaner, which is going to be your reindeer's antlers. You have a Christmas ball that has two pieces and it fits together like an Easter egg would, and it just snaps together closed, just like that. And you have your reindeer's red nose and two googly eyes. And this is going to make your reindeer look just like Rudolph. Okay, so at home you will need a couple of things to also help you make this craft. You're going to need an adult to help you, and you'll also need a hot glue gun, which is why you need an adult's help, and that's going to help you glue on your reindeer's eyes and his nose. You'll also need a pair of scissors, and I'm using adult scissors today, but if you have kid-size scissors at home, I think you should try using those too. Okay, so if you're using adult scissors at home, make sure you have an adult with you. Also, if you're using a hot glue gun, make sure an adult is there to give you an extra hand. All right, so to fill our reindeer, that's our very first step. We're gonna cut pieces of brown paper and we're gonna crinkle them up to make our reindeer's body. So I'm gonna cut very thin pieces of my brown paper. That's enough to get me started, but you will need to cut a lot of paper to fill up your reindeer. Okay, and with each piece of brown paper, you're going to fold it accordion style. So that means that we're going to get these nice crinkly shapes in the paper when we put it into our reindeer. And to do the accordion style, you're going to fold your paper forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, and just because it's a small piece, it's very hard to see on the video, but it makes it look like this, so you get kind of a W or a wiggly shape. Forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, and you keep doing that with all of your pieces. And these make like confetti strips that are going to go inside of your reindeer. So when you get that done, you're going to put it inside your reindeer. That's kind of what it looks like. My first one looks like. And you're going to keep doing that until you have enough to fill up the inside of your reindeer. After you've crinkled all of your pieces, the next step is going to be to close your egg or your reindeer's head. Okay, so it's going to snap together just like that. And it's got all of the brown paper inside of it that you've crinkled. Then you're going to use a hot glue gun and you're going to glue the two eyes on your reindeer and also the red nose. When you've got that complete, your next step is going to be to make your reindeer's antlers. So I like to just twist it around the top of my reindeer ornament to start off with. And when I get a good shape for the antlers, I will go back and hot glue this on. But you can see in my example, my reindeer's antlers just kind of zigzag back and forth, just like that accordion style paper that's inside his body. So I'm going to zigzag some antlers back and forth, and kind of stretch them out. So there's one side of his antler. And your other side is going to be that zigzag too. Think of it as making a Z shape or a letter S. Okay? You can leave them squished together, or you can kind of spread them out if you want. And this part you'll notice slides on and off of the part where you're gonna attach your ornament hook. And that's the part where we're gonna add just a little bit of hot glue so that his antlers stay on. And the last part is gonna be either to add some yarn or string or an ornament hook that you already have at home to your reindeer so that you can hang him up in your window or on your tree. I hope you have fun making this fun, festive activity, and I can't wait to see what they look like.